More people are looking for side hustles right now than ever before. And why is that? It's because the economy feels unstable. AI is changing the job market faster than ever expected, and salaries aren't quite stretching the way they used to. So naturally, everyone's looking for the same thing, a side hustle, something flexible, something that brings in extra money, something that creates freedom. But here's the problem. Side hustles are a trap. See, on paper, I know they look good. Bring in extra money online. Bring in a couple thousands a month on the side and work when you want. It sounds perfect until you realize what side hustles are. They're just another job, but one that you do at night. It's more work, more stress, more hours, and almost none of them lead to real freedom. But stick with me here. The point of this video isn't to doom. It's the exact opposite, because in this video, I want to show you 3 very valuable things. Starting with number 1, why side hustles almost always turn into a part-time job. I'll prove it to you. And number 2, what exactly creates freedom instead of just some extra income on the side? And number 3, the kind of business that puts real money in your pocket every single month without you ever feeling like all you did was pick up another shift at your current day job. And chances are you're new to me, so my promise to you is that by the end of this video, you are going to see this game completely differently, and I hope to put you on a better path than the one you're heading on. Okay, so let's start here. Why are side hustles, well, why do they always turn into an extra job? Because let's face it, the money's real, but the trap that a lot of these become is more real. And if you don't believe me, that's okay. I'll prove it to you. Think about the most popular side hustles right now: delivery, freelancing, selling on platforms, driving, content creation. Every single one of them has the same problem built in. The moment you stop, the money stops. Want to make some more money on the side? Well, then you have to work more. That's the deal. And what starts as a few extra hours during the week slowly becomes a second job, but one you didn't sign up for. Because shortly after, that flexibility that they promised, well, that disappears. The stress doubles and the ceiling never moves, because the one thing that generates income for this hustle is you. And that, my friend, is not freedom. That's a different kind of stuck. See, the hustle culture makes it sound like grinding harder is the answer, but grinding harder on the wrong model, well, just means that you're running faster, but on the same wheel. So what in the world actually creates freedom instead of just income? Because let's be real, that's what we're after, right? We're not just after just an extra few dollars just for the sake of it. What good would it be if we can't actually enjoy it with the people we want to enjoy it with? So the original question would be, what creates the freedom? It comes from disconnecting your income from your hours. Rewind that for a second, because it's important. See, a lot of people out there are just chasing more income, but income tied to your time, well, it has a ceiling because there's so many hours in a day. And no matter how productive you get, well, you can't outwork that ceiling, because we all have 24 hours in a day, and that's all we have. See, the people who actually break free, they aren't necessarily working harder than you are. They just own something that produces revenue, whether they show up or not. Think about it this way. A side hustle asks you, how many hours can you give me this week? But a real business, a cash flowing asset, you know what it asks? It asks a very different question. It asks, how many clients do I have on contract this month? One is a transaction, the other is an asset. When you own recurring revenue, clients that pay you the same amount every single month, no matter what, well, the equation completely changes. See, from this point, you're no longer trading your time for money. The money is already there, already scheduled. It's already expected. See, that is ownership, and ownership is what actually creates the freedom. So all of that brings us here to the most powerful question of this video. What kind of business puts real money in your pocket? Like, what kind of business is going to give you that recurring revenue without demanding more and more of your time? Well, it's not complicated. It's almost too simple to take serious at first. It's called commercial cleaning, not house cleaning, not scrubbing toilets for $80 a pop. No, I'm talking about commercial contracts. I'm talking about office buildings, businesses that sign agreements to have their space cleaned nightly. Oh, and you don't do any of that cleaning because this model works to where you hire part-time people and you send them there, train them up, and then you sit back and collect the capital. Now, if you're new to this, here's what it actually looks like in real numbers. Let's just say you take 3 medium offices that you pass every day on the way to work likely. 3 car dealerships at $4,000 per month, which is on the lower end. That's $12,000 a month in monthly recurring revenue. With normal margins in this industry, you're looking at roughly $4,000 profit without you ever, I mean ever, picking up a mop yourself. Because here's the part a lot of people tend to miss. You're not the one doing the cleaning. You hire the labor, like I had mentioned, and your job is to continuously bring on these new contracts, get them to sign up for a 12-month commitment, and then guess what? From that point, your job is to only bring on contracts and then put part-time people to go work those contracts. Let's say you did an extra 3 on top of the original 3. But now this little cleaning service you have is quietly generating $24,000 per month. And all I did was just double the numbers. Now, if you're new to this, it may sound too good to be true because it's what I hear a lot from people. And honestly, I would think it too if I hadn't been in this industry for about 13, 14 years now as an owner, and even longer if you count my time as an actual cleaner back when. But the truth of the matter is a lot of people sleep on this because they're too busy chasing the trends. And the reason why you've probably never considered this before is because you've been too much in a side hustle mindset. Work harder, grind harder. And if I've done my job in this video, it's to get you thinking more in terms of asset thinking. Because I'm going to tell you something right now. You are never going to build the life you actually want while you're here on this planet if you continue to trade your valuable time for money. I know I just threw so much at you and you have so many questions. I can answer all of them in this video right here. I'll show you how to start this thing from scratch, even if you are a complete beginner, and even if you don't have more than 1 to 2 hours a day to actually lock in and do this. Go check it out. It can completely change the game for you.